Yes, it's all about the local music. I do what I do for you. You must give to get. Show support to get support. I do this to show my support. I cannot go out see every band, but I want to send message to all of you. I'm in the El Paso, Anthony, Texas, Las Cruces music scene, yes. Very much good, great scene. But if you don't support your local music scene, you might as well be crazy. You must support local music scene if you want it to flourish. I tell you the truth. Yes, it's very hot. I dress like I'm in the middle of an Arctic Circle. But I tell you this. No fooling. Support your local music scene. Please, I beg you. I'm on my knees for you. Yes, support local music scene. Yes, I'm on my knees for you. Please support local music scene. Very important, you support local music scene. Support local music scene. It is the only thing we have to keep our country strong. Okay, not the only thing. My cousin Borat went around talking about other issues. I come here to you to talk about the music scene issues. All across America, we all into very much bands. But we forget bands that go big start small. Not all small bands go big. Sometimes you must just give in and discover. Let your heart lead you forth to discovering El Paso's local music scene. It is beautiful. I must go now. I am being watched. I know it's very true. I must go. I am, of course, Del Bosch, Trinshot. Call me Del Bosch. I must go support local music. Or it may be the end of creativity, of dreams. Support film, music, artists, dancers. Every art for brain drain happens. Yes, it does. It happens because people go, oh, this is not as good as the big thing. What is big thing? Corporations, marketing, great stuff, big extravaganza. But the simple form of expression is artist being artist. You may like, you may not like, but take time to discover. I have something in my face right here. I taste it. It tastes like a grass. Not a kind grass. I will go now back to my people and tell them that I talked to you. I notified you that your scene needs your support. In order to make good, you must be good. Support your scene. I tell Santa Claus if you know support your scene. And read Verb magazine. Read this magazine. Very new, very beautiful. For the scene, for the artists in the scene. Make sure you support the scene. If you not support the scene, I come visit you. We have drinks. And then I tell you Santa Claus. Oh, I tell your mother and father, yes, you must support scene. Oh, maybe your mother, father no support scene. It's okay with me. I will get to you. El Paso, Texas. Support your local music scene, or I will pay visit to you. I must go now. Boris is calling me. Boris, I come. That's my cat, Boris. Local artist for you. Yes, I'm in disguise. What do you expect? You think I want you to see me? I haven't seen you yet. Ugh, that's very strange, huh? Okay, well, maybe next time, baby.